Hi there, good morning. It's Andre from GLEDHILL Pulsacoil Repair London. On this video presentation today, which is Wednesday, I've got here a cylinder called Pulsacoil A class, and this is one of my customers. So this is a Pulsacoil A class copper boiler is this one. So while we go here, I take the front cover off this morning, and we got here the top heating element is leaking, and also I've got the caps here. So that's the top heating element. You can see, very dangerous to leave the boiler like that. Then is another leak there and another leak here, also over here. The sensors are not good. What we find out is the bottom sensor, it was disconnected, and also the middle sensor was disconnected. Only the top sensor was in. So what we notice, because this sensor have been disconnected, these cables here are steam. You see steam around, so that means the boiler overheat. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to drain this system now, disconnect from the mains, which are here, disconnect from the mains this system, and then replace it. So we go here, the timer, and that's the expansion vessel, the tank, the water tank. So our mission today is to disconnect this GLEDHILL and to replace it. So thanks for watching, and hope you're enjoying this video. So when I start to disconnect this timer, we can clearly see there is only one supply here, which is connected to number 5, which is the off peak, and is connected to the neutral there. So then it's missing the top heating element connection. So they install a wrong timer. But what we're gonna do, we will take this down and install it correctly. So that means the water heater, it will work correctly in the future. So I manage now to remove everything, so the electrics from the mains, to switch off the main stopcock there, and then to remove out this heater. Is already disconnected, just to be put on the trolley and to be removed out. So this is what I'm going to do today. Put this on my van and then bring another one back on today. So I managed to take down this GLEDHILL Pulsacoil A class. This is 165 storage capacity, and if you live down here next to Asda, on this complex, you can call me for repairs or for replacement. Thank you so much. So let's see now how the new installation go forward. So after I dismantle this unit, Pulsacoil GLEDHILL 3, I come back on site. I redone the electrics. So first of all, I put back the timer, the switches, and now Cosmin is doing the plumbing pipe work. We prepared this installation before we put the cylinder in. So let's see the cylinder. So I've got the cylinder here in the hallway. So what I've got here, this is a brand new Pulsacoil. So it's 150 liter. This is a thermal store, and this is a right hand connection. So all the pipes which are on the right part will be connected on this side. So this cylinder is stainless steel, comes with 2 heating elements, and this is the service book. So on this service book we will complete the benchmark mains pressurized water meter, storage heater commission check. After we complete this book, we have to complete another 3 certificates. But now we just complete the installation here. So we put all the pipes, everything together, and the next step will be to put the cylinder back on that room and to connect the cylinder there. So let's see how this installation go forward. So now this work is complete. We got the timer on, we press the boost button, we got the mains on, we got the rack system back on, we got the filling loop on, and now the system is on and running. Thanks for watching. If you have any GLEDHILL Pulsacoil, please call me and I'll come out to help you.